Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, King County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, King County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 4 p.m. At 2:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Warren to near German Valley to near Princeton to near Williamsfield, moving east at 65 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, automated wind measurements. The storm has a history of producing measured wind gusts in excess of 80 miles per hour impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Elgin, Bartlett, Crystal Lake, Plainfield, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Asunto, Algonquin, Lake, Indiana the Hills, West Chicago, McHenry, Batavia, Woodstock, Hunley, Geneva, Yorkville, Morris, and Channahon, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 219 and 234. Interstate 80 between mile markers 104 and 123. Interstate 88 between mile markers 102 and 120. Interstate 90 between mile markers 32 and 56. This includes Aurora University, Elgin Community College, FamilyLab, Gedfordwood State Park, Grundy County Speedway and Fairgrounds, Illinois Math and Science Academy, King County Cougars Ballpark, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, Moraine Hills State Park, Walton C.
While these storms aren't good, they're really hitting the Midwest really hard right now, and I really hope that they stay safe during these horrible storms. And yeah, my NDEC has been getting them, and the loggers show up there. Alright guys, and yes, I do count alerts like these if they're a very dangerous situation, like 80 miles an hour or greater, or very large hail, anything that's like a VDS or above, I do count, because I think they're important that people know about these types of storms. And yeah, see you guys next time.